Hey, Gypsy, you like oatmeal boxes? Hmm? You really like oatmeal boxes, don't you? What's in there that's so exciting? Hmm? You're really just craving this oatmeal box. Hey! You want this oatmeal? Here, there you go. Is it exciting still? You don't, you don't quite fit in there, do you? Gonna help you in there? No? What if I do it sideways? I guess the oatmeal box is just darn exciting.